Dear students, I am Dr. Rachna Mathur, Associate Professor, Dungar College, Bikaner. In the series of lectures on metric space, which is in the syllabus of BSc Part 3rd, I am going to teach real number system in my first lecture. We will study axiomatic method to study real number system. In 1899, mathematician G. Peano gave 5 axioms for natural numbers, which are P1, 1 is a natural number, that is 1 belongs to n, or n is a non-empty set. Second, for every natural number n, there exists a single natural number n plus called an immediate successor of n, like 2 plus equal to 3, 4 plus equal to 5. Third one is not a successor of any natural number. Next, two natural numbers having the same successor are identical. That is, m plus equal to n plus implies m equal to n. Any set of natural numbers which contains 1 contains for every number n in its successor n plus as well contain all the natural numbers. We can deduce principle of mathematical induction. A proposition Pn is true for all n in n set of natural numbers, provided P1 is true, Pn plus 1 is true whenever Pn is true. Now, axioms for real number, which is denoted by R. Number 1, extended axiom, field axiom, order axiom, and the fourth one is completeness axiom. So what is extended axiom? There are at least 2 different elements in R. Now field axiom, a non-empty set F having at least 2 elements with 2 binary operation plus and into defined on it is called a field if it satisfies number 1, F plus is an abelian group, that is, for every ABC belongs to F. Closure property, A plus B belongs to F. Associativity, A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Existence of additive identity, that is, there exists 0 belongs to F such that A plus 0 equal to A equal to 0 plus A. Existence of inverse, there exists B belongs to F such that A plus B equal to 0 equal to B plus A. B is called additive inverse. And then commutativity, A plus B equal to B plus A. Secondly, F with operation multiplication is abelian group. That is, for every ABC belongs to F. First property, closure, that is, A into B belongs to F. Second, associativity, A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Existence of multiplicative identity, that is, there exists 1 belongs to F such that A into 1 equal to A equal to 1 into A. 1 is called unity of field. Fourth one is existence of inverse. For A not equal to 0, there exists B belongs to F such that A into B equal to 1 equal to B into A. B is called multiplicative inverse of A. And next, commutativity, that is, A into B equal to B into A. Third one is distributivity. D1 is A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Second, B plus C into A equal to B into A plus C into A. So what is a field? Field with at least two elements, two binary operation, plus and into, and satisfy the conditions in which F with binary operation plus is an abelian group, F with a multiplication as binary operation is an abelian group, and distributivity. Now we discuss properties of field. Number 1, additive identity or 0 is unique in a field. Multiplicative identity or unity is unique in a field. Each member of a field has a unique multiplicative inverse. Each non-zero element of a field has a unique multiplicative inverse. Also, each member of a field has a unique additive inverse. Some more theorems on field are: elements of a field obey cancellation law for addition and multiplication. The multiplicative and additive identities of a field are not equal, that is, 1 is not equal to 0. And next is, for ABC belongs to F, AB inverse equal to A inverse B inverse, A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. Equations A plus X equal to B and AX equal to B have a unique solution in F. And next is minus of minus A equal to plus A, minus A into B equal to minus AB, minus A into minus B equal to AB, A inverse equal to A must not equal to 0. So these all properties of field F are very obvious. You can prove these on your own, so please try to do. So it was about the field axiom. Now in my next lecture I will take order axiom and complete axiom. So thank you.